Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your Gmail emails automatically expire after 1 month. This is perfect if you send sensitive information or just want an extra layer of privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Once you're on the main inbox screen, look down at the bottom right corner of your phone. You'll see a colorful circular button with a plus sign. That's the compose button. Tap it. Next, a new email window will appear. Before you start typing, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap the three vertical dots. This will open up a small menu. From the list of options, select confidential mode. This is the key setting that allows you to make your emails expire automatically. Now, under the section labeled Set Expiry, tap to choose how long you want your message to stay accessible. From the list of available options, select Expire in 1 month. Once that's done, tap Save. Gmail will remember your selection for this specific message. After that, you'll return to your draft email. Go ahead and fill in the usual details. Type in the recipient's email address, add your subject line, and write your message. If you like, you can also attach files or documents. Just remember that confidential mode will restrict how they can be viewed or downloaded. When everything looks good, tap Send in the top right corner. That's it. Your email is now set to automatically expire in 1 month. After that time, the recipient won't be able to view it anymore. And that's how you can quickly add an expiration date to your Gmail emails using confidential mode. It's a simple way to keep control over your messages and ensure your information doesn't stay out there forever. Thanks for watching.